sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal sa huli. Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. It's Kuya Clint. We teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. And so for today's video, we're going to be looking at the song Palagi by TJ Monterde. So quick disclaimers first, we're going to be using a capo on the 2nd fret, which means that this is not going to be your 1st fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, and so on and so forth. And aside from that, we're going to be playing this song as if we're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar, and teaching this to you guys as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so when it comes to the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. First up is going to be the E major chord, which is going to be like this. That's going to be open, 2, 2, 1, open, open. Next up is going to be the A sus2 chord, which is going to be this one right here. It's going to be a dead string on the lower E string, using our thumb to mute that string. It's going to be open, 2, 2, open, open. Next up is going to be the C sharp minor 7 chord. It's going to be dead string, 4, 6, 4, 5, 4, while using our index finger to bar the 4th fret from the A string down to the high E string. Next up is going to be the F sharp minor 7 chord. That's going to be 2, dead string, 2, 2, 2, dead string. Next up is going to be the B suspended 4 chord. It's going to be this one right here. That's going to be dead string, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2. Once again, using our index finger to bar the 2nd fret from the A string down to the high E string. Next up is going to be the G sharp minor 7 chord. That's going to be 4, dead string, 4, 4, 4, dead string. That's going to be the B minor 7 chord. It's going to be dead string, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2. While once again using our index finger to bar the 2nd fret from the A string down to the high E string. Then lastly, it's going to be the A minor chord. It's going to be this one right here. Once again, using our thumb to mute the lower E string. It's going to be dead string, open, 2, 2, 1, then open. Okay, and when it comes to the strumming pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now, if you prefer using your fingers, I recommend using this part of your index finger for the down strums and this part of your thumb for the up strums. It's going to be down. But if you prefer to use a pick, it's going to be more straightforward than that, as you're just going to be doing downward motions for your down strums and upward motions for your up strums. And when it comes to holding your pick, make sure that it's perpendicular with your thumb like so, and pinch it with your index finger. And make sure that only the tip's sticking out. That's what you use to strum the strings. And make sure that your wrist, your arm, and your hand is not too loose and not too tight, so that you'll be able to strum comfortably. And with that said, the guitar strumming pattern will be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so when it comes to the verse sections of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. First up is going to be the E major chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. Then A sus2, one more time. Then C sharp minor 7, A sus2, one more. Then A sus2, F sharp minor 7, then D sus4 chord. Once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Hindi man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi, di na mabilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away-bati natin namamalayan. Heto tayo. Okay, Okay, so when it comes to the chorus sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So for the sake of this video, because I think the third chorus section of the song would only do a simple down strum or a lighter strumming pattern compared to the other chorus sections of the song, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to be applying all of these strumming patterns for now. So first up is going to be the A sus2 chord for 4 counts, which is going to be like this. G sharp minor 7, C sharp minor 7, then B suspended 4 chord. One more. G sharp minor 7, C sharp minor 7, B suspended 4 chord, F sharp minor 7 for 4, and this one. Then A sus2 chord for 8 counts, which means we're going to be doing the strumming pattern twice. Just like that. That's the A sus2 chord for 8 counts. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Hanggang sa huli, palagi, babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli, palagi, pipili kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ko. Okay, so when it comes to the interlude section of the song, or specifically the section after the first chorus section of the song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. And that is going to be the E major chord for 4 counts. A sus2 for 4. One more. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so when it comes to the bridge section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Once again, C sharp minor 7 chord for 4 counts, B minor 7, A sus2, then A minor chord for 4 counts, G sharp minor 7, C sharp minor 7, A sus2, then B sus4. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Pagdating na natin, pinakatento, sumatamay ako din, ikaw pa rin aking bituin, tatangi kung dalangin sa huling sigla. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for joining this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. So yeah, if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. So all good. Let's see you guys in the next one. Peace.